Alright, this is a windshield wiper fluid motor from a E53 BMW. That is a 2004 X5, and I'm going to show you why these things fail. So these run about $40, and what I did is I cracked it open here, and I'm just going to pry it off. When I take this motor off, there's a seal that wraps around the shaft here. And what happens is that it starts to leak over time due to wear and tear. It could be either because you're running it without windshield wiper fluid, or it just wears out. So here's the seal. And when the seal wears out, all the fluid goes into the motor and it starts to rust. I have this motor hooked up to a 12-volt battery, and you can hear a little clicking sound. That means that it's all rusted inside. I'm going to break up the rust a little bit by spraying some WD-40 in here. Let's wipe it off. And turn the shaft slowly to break up any rust. And then I'm going to test out the motor. So the motor works, but the problem is that the seal has a leak in it, so you can't just flip it back on and use it, but at least you know why this motor breaks, and that's about $40 to replace it. Let's test it and see if it works. It works. Let's see if any of the water went into the seal. Just pop it open again. It looks dry. Maybe it will work. So let's take out the gasket here. That seems dry too. Maybe it will work. Just make sure when you put the motor back together that the shaft here, this flat piece, lines up with the fan inside here. And just pop it all together. And you could use this as a temporary fix if you really need one until your new one comes in. Or you could just see if it works over time. Thanks!